Young Film Academy's one-day film school, run in UK schools since 2004, is now available online for young filmmakers aged 8 to 18. Your journey begins with film history, from the first filmmakers to the pioneers of editing. The golden era of musical films, the very first blockbuster. Special effects. Learn to do a stunt punch. Make your own sound effects and fake blood. Step by step, we'll show you how to use your smartphone to make a film, camera angles, when and how to use them, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Discover the 3 key things you need to tell a great story, create memorable characters, and make us care. Then put your skills to the test and make your own short film. Choose from 5 classic storylines. Plan your shots so you're prepared. Collect your props. Shoot your film using a smartphone or tablet, and edit using free software. Then it's time to pop the popcorn, crack the champagne, sit back and enjoy the world premiere of your short film. Share with family and friends. Access to the one-day film school is for 12 months, so you can keep making films throughout the year and even create your own film festival. Start filmmaking today.